when you enter this door on the left. And this Baori really gets your attention rapidly, because the first thing your eye does is try to catch up, your brain does, is try to catch up with your eye, when your eye screams right down to the bottom, and your brain realizes this place is big and deep. There's steps that at one time allowed you to go up on top. I'm not quite sure why you'd want to. What those niches were for, it's hard to tell. The walkway was for other than access to the niches, of course. Guess is that there's no real floor in between those floors. It just goes straight up for some reason. That's just by design. But notice up there that there was some kind of a catwalk at one time. Whether that half dome was covered in stucco, it appears it was if you look there and see the whitish portion. The portion would suggest that at one time this is where there was a well hole, but who knows. Up on top we can see a dome. It looks like there could have been something up there in the way of decoration once upon a time, but who really knows? I think the prettiest such water functional place that I've ever been in was in the small town to the east of Palermo. I can't remember its name now. Now in the Tibetan Market, whatever that means, but we're about to find out. One would think it should mean stuff from Tibet, but don't count on it. Kinds of clothes. I don't know that they're Tibetan or not, but handbags which are made in India, but interesting. This is just a lot of stuff made in either India or Bangladesh or China. It makes for a fun walk. Looks like yams, yep. Most markets, anywhere, they spill out onto the outside of the market, so we'll go out and see if we can see if there's anything out here to look at. And the answer is not really, it's all the same stuff. I'll take a look at the labels in a couple of seconds. But it gathers lots of people, but that's not hard in a population of 1.2 billion. It's a famous bookstore, so let's go find out why it's famous. Good collection of a lot of stuff jammed into a tiny little shop. I'm going to walk along the area just outside of the market, but parallel to it. As you can see, it's on the other side of that fence, just to see what's here. Food.